Hello and welcome to our video on 5 tips from Elon Musk for anyone who wants to become a millionaire. Elon Musk is one of the most successful entrepreneurs of our time, with a net worth of over $200 billion. Here are 5 tips we can all learn from his approach to business and life. Tip 1. Take risks. Elon Musk is known for taking big risks in business, and it has paid off for him. He advises entrepreneurs to take calculated risks and not be afraid to fail. By taking risks and pushing the limits, you can potentially achieve great success and become a millionaire. Tip 2. Focus on innovation. Musk is a firm believer in innovation and believes it is the key to success in business. He advises entrepreneurs to focus on innovation and constantly look for new and better ways of doing things. By being innovative and offering something unique, you can stand out in the marketplace and potentially achieve great financial success. Tip 3. Work hard and stay committed. Musk is known for his incredible work ethic and his commitment to his goals. He advises entrepreneurs to work hard and stay committed to their goals, even when faced with obstacles and setbacks. By staying focused and committed, you can overcome challenges and achieve your financial goals. Tip 4. Surround yourself with talented people. Musk believes in surrounding himself with talented people who can help him achieve his goals. He advises entrepreneurs to do the same and build a team of talented and motivated individuals who share their vision. By surrounding yourself with talented people, you can achieve more and potentially become a millionaire. Tip 5. Believe in yourself and your vision. Finally, Musk believes in the power of self-belief and encourages entrepreneurs to believe in themselves and their vision. By having confidence in yourself and your abilities, you can overcome challenges and achieve great success. By believing in your vision, you can create something truly remarkable and potentially become a millionaire. Outro, and there you have it, 5 tips from Elon Musk for anyone who wants to become a millionaire. By taking risks, focusing on innovation, working hard and staying committed, surrounding yourself with talented people, and believing in yourself and your vision, you can achieve financial success and potentially become a millionaire. Thanks for watching.